Discover the fascinating world of icicles, nature's beautiful frozen sculptures that adorn winter landscapes. These common sights appear when temperatures drop below freezing, turning dripping water into solid ice. They form on buildings, cliffs, branches, and anywhere water flows and freezes repeatedly. It all begins with melting snow or ice, often from sunlight or warmer temperatures on a surface. This water then drips or flows slowly downwards, pulled by gravity along a surface edge. When this water reaches air colder than freezing point, typically 0 degrees Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit, it starts to solidify. A small drop freezes, forming the initial tip of the icicle, clinging to the surface. More water flows over this frozen tip, and as it drips off the end, it freezes in layers. Each subsequent drop adds another thin layer of ice, slowly extending the length of the growing icicle. The process repeats constantly as long as melting water is available and temperatures remain below freezing. The shape is influenced by wind, temperature fluctuations, and the rate of water flow. Many icicles are clear and transparent, allowing light to pass through them beautifully. Others can appear cloudy or white due to trapped air bubbles during the freezing process. They range dramatically in size, from tiny points just millimeters long to massive formations several feet. Roof icicles are common, but they also form spectacular curtains on rocky outcrops or cliffs. Sometimes they encase plants or objects, creating unique frozen sculptures in the landscape. Despite their beauty, icicles can pose significant hazards due to their weight and sharp points. Large icicles breaking and falling from heights can cause serious injury or property damage below. It's important to be aware of your surroundings in winter and avoid walking directly under areas where large icicles form. Removing them safely, if necessary, requires caution and the right tools to avoid injury. When the sun hits icicles, they sparkle and shimmer, creating dazzling displays of light. Clear icicles can even refract light, splitting it into tiny rainbows like miniature prisms. They are a simple yet stunning reminder of winter's unique artistry and natural processes. From tiny drips to towering spikes, each one tells a story of freezing water and time. Appreciate their beauty from a safe distance, marveling at these temporary ice formations. Icicles are a true symbol of the cold season, fragile wonders in a frozen world.